This is the latest frequency divider from Shanghai Outai Electronics, with a frequency up to 63 GHz. It's likely the highest frequency divider available on the global market. Let's go test it out. This features differential input, using 1.85 mm connectors for input, and 2.92 mm connectors for output, with differential output, for standard applications. Single-ended input and output suffice in high-speed communication and optical communication systems. Differential signals enhance anti-interference capability. That's where differential comes into play. Let's run some tests. This 67 GHz signal generator will provide our input signal, paired with this 50 GHz spectrum analyzer to measure output spectrum. Okay, for single-ended input testing, I'll terminate the unused port with a 50 ohms load. Now here. Connect to. Position it like this. Input and output connected to the out port. Power supply is straightforward, no external power required. Alright, powering up the system. Starting test, 10 GHz input signal. At 0 dBm power. Observing output spectrum here. Primary signal at 5 GHz, output almost equals 0 dBm. At 20 GHz input, clear primary signal appears at output. 30 GHz input yields 15 GHz output. 40 GHz input produces 20 GHz output. 50 GHz input results in 25 GHz output. At 60 GHz input, we observe 30 GHz output here. Maximum capability reaches 63 GHz. Requires slightly higher power at 63 GHz. 60/61 GHz inputs yield 30.5 GHz, 62 GHz 31 GHz. Due to higher drive requirements, we increase power to plus 7 dBm, achieving 31 GHz output. Well, next. At 63 G input, output reaches 31.5 G. This is our ultra-wide frequency divider. If you'd like more details, visit our website for the full manual.